So this is your home in which you are going to work upon. So it is basically kind of like a game in which you have several controls and you can move around your home. You can view your home at any angle. So based upon a gain control, so gain controls, forward and backward you can move in the environment, and in order to jump you can press space, and for panning you can move your mouse, and for selecting operation also you can move your mouse. So this game or this software consists of several controls or several set of icons. So in the top you can see a time icon, time bar. So this you can move up and down, back and forth. So when you increase it, so you can see the time is moving. So it is becoming night. So a real-time night simulation is being possible here. And also you can check whether the sensors are working or not. And if you look at the right, you can see several things like wind speed, maximum, minimum, the humidity, the cloudiness, the dew point. So these are all real-time values. And also the bottom right hand corner you can see the power consumption. What is the power consumption of the current day, what is the current consumption of last day, last week and last month. And on the left side you have your layout of your home, so in which you can go directly into the rooms A, B, C, D. So let me put on back to daytime. So here there are different rooms D, E, G, H, I, J up to M. So here you can see several garden lights. So these are all garden lights. 1, 2, 3, 4 set of garden lights are placed. So here you can actually create your own logic to make this garden lights on. So in order to on this garden lights, I would suggest you to use a brightness sensor in order to automatically on the garden lights, because in daytime you don't want your garden lights to become completely on and increase your current consumption. So there is a brightness sensor, both digital and analog here. So you can make this brightness sensor on. So now it is ready for programming. Brightness sensor, and next we have to make the programming mode on for the brightness sensor. Sorry, garden lights. So the garden lights, so here we can make the garden light tag on by making it blue. Now it's blue. Now let us move on to our Connect.io interface. So the Connect.io interface will be there along with your Home.io icon. So you can move on to Connect.io. Now on the tags section you can see light dim, light switch dimmer, up down, brightness sensor analog, lights garden analog. So here you can bring in the brightness sensor, drag and drop the brightness sensor tag here. And also the lights garden. So you have dragged in both the tags, brightness sensor and lights of garden. So here you can activate the lights of garden by just connecting this bit with this bit. So both are kind of digital, and you can activate it just by dragging the connection to this block. So this is basically a functional block diagram. This kind of program is called a functional block diagram kind of logic, and here you have made the connection it's already running, or if it is in pause mode, you can switch it to, you have to switch it to run mode. So once it is running, go back to your home IO interface. Now during daytime you are sure it won't work, but we can check the nighttime simulation. Let us check what happens at around 12 o'clock. So when night time arrives, whether our logic will work or not, that we are going to check. So night is coming. So our lights are on. Our first program is working. Now we can modify this program little bit to activate other lights also. Change it back to daytime. In order to quick travel, you can select a particular zone in your diagram. So I want to travel here. Like a game, you can travel anywhere. So this is our pool light. You have to change it to blue color. So I think I have to go there. So I have to change the status to blue, and also I have to on the lights during night time for the porch. This is the porch and this is the pool. So changing the tag here, and now what I have to do, I have to go to the connect.io interface and I have to program. Now several tags are come upon, like lights of garden that you already know, that you have programmed previously. So lights of pool, please drag, and now lights of porch, that also you can drag. Now what you have to do, based upon the brightness sensor input, you have to on the lights of the pool as well as the porch. So just connect it here, this also connect it. Now our program is ready. Run it. It's already running. And now we have to check our logic. During daytime it shouldn't work, during night time it should work. Now moving it back to night time. Let our simulation do the job. Okay, it's working very well. So you can do several modifications in this program, and also to different sensors. You can design different programs outside the house and also inside the house.